Hello friends of La Huertina de Tony, welcome to another video where today I'm going to try to show you how we can make a homemade mini greenhouse for our seed beds, for any type of seed bed, homemade or purchased. It is really important, as we know, for seed beds to get direct sunlight because otherwise they could become leggy. I will leave a video here about what it means to become leggy and all that, but it is important for them to get direct light. The problem that we often encounter, it's either cold or cloudy, or the temperatures drop a lot, and as a result, they don't germinate. Well, with a simple 5 or 8 liter plastic bottle that we can get from any container, or if we want to give it, we can buy it. We can buy it nearby. We are going to build our mini greenhouse. To start with what we have to do is open the front part. Once the top is opened, where we will put the seed trays, we need to make holes on the sides. We are going to make small holes to let the air circulate, okay? The air has to circulate to prevent moisture from condensing and causing mold. So we open 2 on each side, 1 on this side and another on this other side. This way, at the end, there would be 2, but it will be perfect. And we can also open 1 or 2 at the bottom of the bottle. They don't need to be very big, just so the air circulates a little. If we open them too big, this greenhouse wouldn't really serve any purpose. And then we also have the option of removing the front cap, which would also allow a lot of air to circulate. And now we have our homemade mini greenhouse for seed beds finished. Did you see how easy it was? With a water bottle of 5 to 8 liters done, with a knife, that's it. Now we simply put the seed bed inside, okay? And it's closed. The most important thing is that we make the holes for the air to circulate. That is very important. And also another very important thing that you need to know is that on very hot days, you have to take the seedlings out of here because otherwise the plants can get scorched. Okay? Simply open it and take the plant out. That's it. If it's cold or cloudy or it's nighttime, we put them inside and they don't suffer from temperature changes. Keeping these considerations in mind, your seedlings will surely do wonderfully. And that's it, I'll leave you with this. Hey, if you like the video, click like. You can comment whatever you want, tell me what you think, if you're going to try it, if you're not going to try it, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, as we always share interesting things about plants and gardens here. Well, until the next video.